for April, as well as some brands we can expect to see in 2020 from Boxycharm. I'm so excited about it. Before we jump into the video, if you guys are new here, hey, welcome. My name's Rhonda, and over here we embrace the hot mess. We run on a ton of caffeine, but fortunately for all of us, it is a judgment and drama-free zone. So hopefully this is a channel for y'all, and you will decide to stick around, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell, because I'm uploading all the time over here. Anywho, let's go ahead and jump into the video. Okay guys, so I've got a lot of stuff to go over with you guys. I'm super excited about it, but I'm gonna cut to the chase. Let's talk about some important dates for March for your April Boxycharm box. Okay, so I've got notes and everything here. I will be, let me scooch over. I'll be popping everything up over here to help you guys out. So important dates that you guys want to remember for this month is the Monday, March 9th. This is early access for your add-ons. Okay, so early access to your add-ons, Monday, March 9th for premium and luxe members. And then the choice dates. You guys, pay attention to this. April base box opens on Tuesday, March 10th. This is your choice dates. Now, we don't know the choices yet. I'm sure that they will hopefully be coming very soon. But either way, even if it's a surprise, you need to get in there on March 10th. And then premium members, Thursday, March 12th. This is going to be your choice date as well. And a lot of people just got off the wait list for the premium box. So congratulations to you guys. A lot of you guys were leaving comments and they're like, I got off the list. I got off the list. I'm like, yeah. Okay, anyways. So very important dates to make sure that you have down for your add-ons, as well as your choice for the base box. Again, March 10th. And your premium box, again, is March 12th. Okay. Another little thing that I did want to touch on is the incentive. If you are not currently a Boxycharm member and you want to sign up, of course there's 3 different tiers that you can choose from. There is the $25 a month plus tax box where you get 5 items, and it is a retail value of like $125. So even if you sign up just for the $25 box, there is an incentive of these 2 Zoeva palettes, guys. So you're going to get your 5 items in your $25 plus tax box, and then one of these palettes, which I will be showing you over here. There is an eyeshadow palette and a face palette by Zoeva, and I'll leave the little code that you need to put in there, March Madness, and you need to make sure to put that code in during checkout. Now, with that being said, the day I'm filming this, these are still available. However, throughout the month, as they, you know, they're no longer in stock or available, what have you, they do put other incentives. So definitely make sure to check the Boxycharm website for that, because like I said, once these are gone, they're gone, but then they'll have other items. I want to say last month they had, I think it was like maybe a Tarte palette or some Dr. Brandt products that you could choose from. So you're going to get all 5 of your items in the box, and then you're going to get 1 additional free gift. Now, this is one or the other, and I'm not 100% if we get to choose that item. Real quick too, I wanted to let you guys know that if it says valid for subscribers only, or those who canceled prior to February 1st, 2020. Must use coupon code at checkout, valid while the box and gift supplies last. So just letting you guys know about that. Okay, so let's go ahead and talk about some other news when it comes to Boxycharm. Now, I always put, when I post my picture or what have you, if I pulled it from Instagram or what have you, you guys will see it, the credit given at the top. I don't chop that off, if that makes sense. And some of the video footage that I'm going to be pulling from today is from the Facebook group Boxy Baddies, that's open to anyone. So if you have a Facebook account, you want to get over to Boxy Baddies and join this, because Joe does post videos over there and sneak peeks, what have you. As well as I want to give a huge shout out and thank you to the Facebook group Boxy Spoilers. They actually shared one of my Boxycharm videos over there, so thank you very much. It looks like, from what I can see, Ashley is the one in charge over there, so thank you, Ashley, for sharing my last Boxycharm video. I greatly appreciate it. Look, I'm cheesing. I'm like, ah! oh, it was funny because I was just scrolling through and I was like, oh, that's me, and I didn't share that video. So thank you very, very much for getting our channel out there. I really, really appreciate it. Okay, as far as the sneak peek goes for April, we just got confirmation from Joe himself, CEO of Boxycharm, that there is going to be one of these primers in our Boxycharm box for April. This is going to be by Benefit Cosmetics. We will either see the Professional Original Formula, which, by the way, my daughter Haley absolutely loves this primer. It's her OG, it's her favorite, it's her ride or die. She loves it. And we will see that one, or we will see the Hydrate Professional Primer. I'm pretty excited about that because the more that my skin has finally like come into its own and everything, it's allowing me to try other primers without like So I'm excited to get a hold of the Benefit Cosmetics primer and try it out for you guys again. Okay, so let's talk about some brands we are going to see in 2020. So as we know, Joe posted, I want to say it was last week, I talked about it as well, that Joe was in New York and he showed us that Natasha Denona was coming back to Boxycharm, as well as he showed Dior in his Instagram. So I was so excited about that. This is where you guys come in. I would love to know your thoughts on what Natasha Denona and potential Dior product we will be seeing. I'm really excited about that. Like the very first premium box that Boxycharm had last year, one of the items in there was the Natasha Denona Bloom Blush and Glow palette, which I love, have it on today, and I mean it's a really good palette. It's $50-some. So my thought would be the next, and I have no insider information whatsoever when it comes to this. This is just my guess, my opinion, my conspiracy, whatever. Anyways, I kind of think that maybe if we were to get another palette from Natasha Denona, what are you guys' thoughts on getting the tan Bronze and Glow palette? I mean, I'm like, ooh, would it be this one? Which means maybe next year I could get that new Love palette that she came out with. Oh, it's so beautiful. Anywho, that's kind of my thoughts. Let me know down below. Do you think it would be this Natasha Denona palette? Do you think it would be one of her 5-pan eyeshadow palettes, which apparently we've seen in the past? I personally did not get that in any of my boxes. But that's okay, you know. I've just heard that other people have received it, so I'm kind of like, ooh, what about that coral palette? Anyhow. And then Dior. We did see that Dior is coming potentially to Boxycharm, or at least he had a meeting with Dior. I should put it that way. So my thoughts on that. You guys have told me that in that quiz that I discussed last week, that perfume was an option or a choice, that if we would like to see that in any of our future boxes, which would make sense if we're getting a Dior perfume. But then I'm like, would we get a perfume, or would we get one of maybe like their eyeshadow palettes or face palettes or something like that? So I'm kind of leaning more towards the makeup. I really would love to have like the bronze highlight blusher palette or something like that. It was something really beautiful. So some other brands that are going to be in here, which again, there's a video where he talks about some of the brands.
Show you a lot of new brands coming in a barrel. Last year was amazing, but this year is going to be even better. We have a lot of old brands that you love, and you'll see it again. Brands that have worked with us before. I don't want to say old brands, they can be brand new brands, but they've worked with us before, they've been on our program, but we have new brands coming in. I think you've seen how this month goes. We have Fenty in the box. We have quite a few other brands. We had Hourglass. I can tell you that Hourglass is going to come back again into the base box. We're going to have Kevin O'Quan, and we're going to have a couple other brands. I don't know how many I should tell you.
Yeah, don't sneak them all.
I can give one or two more. I mean, we have many. We will have also Sunday Riley coming into base, coming into premium, just many options. We'll have more Natasha Denona coming in and into the base box, and I think like it's going to go throughout the year. So many exciting products are coming.
But we're going to see Sunday Riley. We will be seeing Sunday Riley, and in this video, he says we will see these brands in our base and our Luxe box. So members, if you are a base standard base member, you guys will be seeing this. If you are a Luxe member, you're gonna see this. So I thought that that was pretty exciting, that you don't necessarily have to be a premium member, that base and Luxe members will be seeing this. So Sunday Riley, Natasha Denona, I was so excited to hear that Hourglass is coming back, guys, and it's not just going to be in a premium box. We're gonna see it in our base and our Luxe box for 2020. And then a brand that I've not seen and I don't believe has been in Boxycharm before is Kevyn Aucoin. So I was really excited to hear that as well. I mean, there are a lot of big brands that we're going to see again and that are coming to Boxycharm, guys. And he talks about in this video, he is only making this better and better and better for us. And I'm like, is that even possible? But yay. So let's move on and talk about another sneak peek that is mentioned in this video. And somebody asks in this video, it's like a Q&A, he is prompting us to ask questions. And in the video, somebody asks about silk pillowcases. I was like, please, 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 please. Okay, so they don't 100% confirm it, but Amanda, who's actually filming Joe, says, I'll just insert the video.
Love to see something like a silk pillowcase in a Luxe box. Stay tuned, Tina. That's all I'll say. Yeah.
So like I said, Amanda makes the comment that stay tuned, and I'm just like, oh my gosh, I would love a silk pillowcase. So anyways, but to see and to hear that in the base and Luxe boxes, we are going to see Sunday Riley, Natasha Denona, Hourglass. Like, these are in base boxes, guys. So this to me is blowing my mind. $25 plus tax. We are going to see items like Hourglass, Natasha Denona, Sunday Riley, potentially Kevyn Aucoin. To me, that is extremely exciting. And I honestly feel like the more that these brands start coming into just the base boxes alone, I'm a little worried that there may be a wait list. So I'm like, oh my gosh. So pretty excited about that. He did touch on limited edition and skincare exclusives, were a question that people had in there. I'll play the clip for that.
Repeating?
Yeah, actually, so a lot of people want to know if we're going to do another skincare exclusive box.
So guys, I can't tell you everything we're doing. It might be that we're going to introduce bundles into our add-ons or our pop-up that would have limited edition boxes in them. So expect that to see in the future this year.
So it does look like we will be seeing these, whether it's going to be a pop-up, add-on, what have you, that there's going to be potentially bundles available. None of it is 100% confirmed, but he sees what we want and they are working to get that for us. So another thing that I wanted to talk about that he did talk about in this video is making sure that we do the review of the product in here, that it may not be something that we see the following month, but as we continue on with our subscription, we will be seeing our boxes be more and more customized to what we are wanting because of the algorithm change that they are working harder to perfect. So I was really excited about that as well. I just think that you guys know, like, for the past, what, 5+ years that I've been a Boxycharm member, Boxycharm has always been one of my top ranking subscriptions, one of my favorite subscriptions. So whether or not you are just getting into makeup, wanting to add or build to your collection, I highly, as always, recommend Boxycharm for that. Now, some people asked about the whole counterfeit. That's in the video as well, and I'll just play what Joe quickly talks about, the whole fake news and all of that stuff. He talks about that.
Why don't you touch quickly on this fake news of counterfeit items?
Guys, listen, if you have any doubt, I can tell you everything we have is all authentic. We did it directly with the brands, and we don't have any lab anywhere. Okay, we just work with the brand, and that's it. So that's just for anyone that had any doubt.
Good.
And I mean, for me, that confirmed it. I didn't feel like any of my stuff was counterfeit, but that's just me. So take it with what you will. But anyways, guys, that's going to be all for today's video. It's an additional video. I will have another video popping up for you guys today. And that was already pre-filmed, but after I started getting and gathering all this information, I'm like, I got to get this video up now for you guys. So whether or not, I'm trying to think, this video is going to go up first, then you're going to see a makeup recap video, and it's also reminding you guys that today is the last day for the giveaway that I have going on live on my channel. I'll try to be mindful and link it in the comment section. Also, by the way, if you guys are interested in signing up for Boxycharm, whether that be the base, the premium, or the Luxe membership, I will have a link down below for you guys that is an affiliate link. So I want to thank you guys in advance if you do decide to do that. Don't forget that I will also have the code for you guys for one of the Zoeva eyeshadow or face palettes down there as well. So if you do decide to go ahead and click my link to sign up, make sure to put that coupon code in there. I don't know how long that coupon code will be active. Like I said, once it's gone, it's gone. So anyways, friends, that's all for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it enough to give your girl a big thumbs up. Don't forget that we will be doing another video today, so you're getting 2 videos in one day. Today is the last day for that giveaway, March 4th, so check my description box or the comment section for that video, and I will be picking my winner tomorrow and getting in contact with them. By the way, if I forgot to tell you guys what's on my eyes, it is the Hank & Henry Living in Color palette. Follow me over on Instagram. I will be doing some little mini videos on how I created this look. Anyways, guys, don't forget to follow me on TikTok, Instagram, and Twitter. And until tomorrow, as always, I hope you guys have a wonderful, beautiful, and blessed day. Kisses from Kentucky. Mwah! Bye.